Hey everyone, my name is Rachel Escalopio. First off, I wanted to just say that I'm sorry for my voice. I'm really sick right now, and I'm sorry that you have to listen to it. But I want to talk about my website today. So, my website is rachelescalopio.com. I am branding myself. I am in the process of getting my LLC, and so I will be a freelance writer and so this website I am working on to become my website for that, for branding myself, for branding my writing, to kind of like a portfolio. And so this is what I am using my website for. So my website isn't perfect yet. I'm still working on it. I'm working on bringing over a lot of my writing and things like that from my other website. It's just a like basic WordPress. And so I just figured this would be better to be rachelescalopio.com instead of rachelescalopio.wordpress.com. It's just a little more professional. So I started out just being really simple with a little bit about me over here, what my name is, what I'm going into, and what I'm doing at the moment, and a link to my Instagram and things like that because that's really important. People want to see what you're doing on social media and see the kind of person that you are. And then you can subscribe here. This is my most recent blog post, just some photography to kind of give the potential employers some insight into what I can do. I don't just write, I can also do photography as well. And then with just a little quote right here. So up here are just, it just goes to my writing. It's under blog and writing. This is a published piece that I did. Over here is photography, and it's just a link to my basic fine art photography. And like I said, I don't have too much up here yet because I'm trying to figure out what I want on this site just so it seems more professional and they are the work that I'm really proud of, so it can get me hired better. And I'm probably going to get rid of the store. There's nothing that I want to sell or there's nothing that I need to sell. So the store, this whole thing, and like the cart will I'll probably take out. And then over here is my contact information. Again, more about me, who I am, and why I like to write. And then just a contact button. So for people who want to send me a message or anything like that. So again, I will be using this as my freelance writing website. And the more that I learn, and I've learned a lot from this class, and I'm really grateful for that. But the more that I learn, the more that I can build it up. But I still want to keep it pretty simple. So thank you.